So what is imperative? Imperative basically a tense in French. Okay, when we want to give orders, make requests, then express the desires, provide recommendations, suggestions to somebody, offer advice, prohibit actions, ये सारे मूड जो हैं वो हमारे imperative में आते हैं. अच्छा, ये हम कब करते हैं? ये हम तब करते हैं जब when we are talking to a person who is next in front of us, like second person singular, like I am speaking to Prince. Prince is there in front of me. I am saying write this down. I'm looking at him and just simply saying write this down. And what I'm doing, I'm commanding him to write it, right? ऐसे ही if we are all like we are all there and I say that let's begin, तो I am commanding again कि हम सब शुरू करते हैं क्योंकि आप सब लोग अभी भी यहीं पे हो. Then I am giving instruction, advices or commands to you all. So then again you all are in front of me. So this means it is only done with 3 people. Second person singular, second person plural, and first person plural. That is tu, nu, and wu. Please take down what are the subjects that we use. Tu, nu, and wu. Karthik has not come. Remember. Then let's take one verb, parler. Parler means to speak. What conjugation do we have? Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. Okay, so what I just said, ki we have to take only 3 subjects, that is tu parles, nous parlons, and vous parlez. I'll write this down. Tu parles, nous parlons, and vous parlez. Right? Now, what the rule of imperative says. Imperative का rule कहता है कि don't have to write the subject. जब हम किसी को command कर रहे हैं, suppose a student is entering in the class and I am saying shut the door. उसी को देख के बोल रही हूँ, I am not taking the name. So what I'll do, I'll not put the subjects. I'll just put the conjugation, that is parle, parlons, and parler. Second rule says that कि जब भी हमारे पास ER ending verb है and we are putting S with tu, सिर्फ tu के साथ ER ending में जो S आता है will not put. So we'll simply put parle and exclamation in the end. Then parlo, exclamation in the end. Parler, exclamation in the end. The 3 rules you have understood. Don't put the subject pronoun, then remove S from ER ending verb, tu conjugation, then put exclamation in the end. Let's take regarder verb. To watch. Imperative of regarder. Can you please tell? What's the imperative of regarder? What is the imperative of regarder? All of you?
Regard.
Okay. The spelling would be?
Just with the.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just with the. Then regardons with same way. Regarder, like that. Okay. Let's take one more word for your understanding, better understanding. Let's say commander. To order. Do the conjugation in imperative. Shantanu, would you speak?
Command के बाद exclamation, then commando ONS explanation, फिर commande easy Z के बाद explanation.
Yes. ठीक है? Have you understood till here, all of you? All right.
Yes. Yes.
The second one is the IR ending verb. The IR ending category, how do we do it? What we did is finir verb, to finish. What we do is पहले हम conjugation देखेंगे क्या होती है finir की. Je finis, tu finis, il fini, elle finit. Nous finissons. Vous finissez. Il finit, elle finissent. Now, what I just told you, we have to choose only 3 subject pronoun, that is tu, nous, and vous, and remove the subjects from it. What we are left with, fini. You have to put s in ir ending verb. Do not remove it. Fini, finissons, and finissez. Okay? Everybody is clear with imperative? Okay. Now, next is re ending verb. How do we conjugate for re ending verb? We simply take the re ending verb. Let's take vendre. Vendre is to sell. Okay. Vendre, to sell. Je vends, conjugation में. Tu vends. Il, elle vendent. Nous vendons. Vous vendez. Il, elle vend. Okay. Now what you have to do is, again, remove the subject pronoun and do not remove s from it also. Why I'm doing all different? Because you people don't get confused. Ki we have removed s from er ending verb. What we would do with ir and re. So we will simply write vond without tu, removing the subject pronoun tu. We are left with vond, the conjugation. Vendons. And Vonde. An exclamation in the end for all. Okay? Have you understood simple ER, IR and RE? Reflexive verb. Let's take se laver verb. What is the conjugation of se laver? Je me lave. What is se laver? To wash oneself. Je me lave. Tu te laves. Il se lave. Elle se lave. Nous nous lavons. Vous vous lavez. Il, elle se lave. Right? Do you remember the conjugations? Reflexive verb key?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Now what we have to do again, take out the subject pronoun tu, nous and vous. What we are left with? Tu te laves. Nous lavons. And vous lavez. Now, the rule says in the pronominal verbs, जो ये reflexive verbs होते हैं, उसमें क्या करना होता है? Subject तो हट ही जाएगा, हट गया. What we are left with, lave, nous lavons and vous lavez, right? अब जो ये आपके pronouns हैं, इनकी placement का क्या होगा? ये त हट के लाव में से s हटेगा, then you put slash and then the becomes twa and exclamation in the end. Okay, this nu, the pronominal nu, will come on the right side here, slash in between and exclamation in the end. Same way, vous will come on the right side with the slash and exclamation in the end. It becomes laugh tua. We are instructing somebody ki take a bath or go to bath. Then lavons-nous, let's take a bath. Lavez-vous, you all take the bath. That's it. Lave-toi, lavons-nous and lavez-vous. Okay. So the negative of the same, how we do it? It was tu te laves. The negative becomes tu ne te laves pas. Okay, remove this stew from it and just put like this. Ne te lapa without S. Ne te lapa, ne nous lavons pas. Ne nous lavons pas. Exclamation in the end. And ne vous lavez pas. Okay? Exclamation in the end. Do not change any placement if you are doing negative of reflexive verb. Okay? Start doing it. Parle. Parlons. And parler. Negative of simple verbs. So what we are going to do is ne parle pas. Exclamation in the end. Ne parlons pas. Exclamation in the end. Ne parlez pas. Exclamation in the end. Right? Harjot, tell me the finir negative.
Ne finis pas.
Very good. And exclamation in the end. Ne
Finissons pas.
finissons pas. Exclamation. Ne
Finissez pas.
finissez pas. Perfect. Gurjot, vendre ka negative.
Ne vende pas,
Ne vende pas.
ne vendons pas,
Ne vendons pas.
ne vendez pas.
Ne vendez pas. All right. So negative of ER ending verb, IR ending verb, and RE ending verb is done. Is it all clear till here? Now we have few exceptions like être, to be. It's completely the different version. How do we do it? It is soit, soyons, and soyez. Avoir, to have. It will be I, ayons, and aïeux. Ale, it's not, we cannot say it's exception, but still it comes in the category of exception. Ale, what is the conjugation with you? It's S, no. So that's why we remove just S. Va, allons, and allez. Then we have savoir, to know.